Hello friends, my name is Linos Wengara and I play Mbira from Zimbabwe and I'm a musician from Zimbabwe. I play with Tim Lloyd, we call him Mbira in Zimbabwe, which is a tribe. Mbira is what we're going to talk about today. This Mbira is our lesson to teach people to play it, and we make Mbira and we sell to people and we teach people to play the Mbira around England and everywhere in the world. Wherever you are welcome to join us, and we can teach you by sending you books and videos and a CD. So when we say the Mbira, this one, the first book that we've got here, is our first collection and we call it Kushaura. Kushaura is the leading variation, and this book is not only what we have two books which have same songs. On Kushaura, on the first book, it's got 11 songs. It comes together with another second book which is called Kutsinhira. We call it Kutsinhira because they are backing variations that backs up all the variations in this first book. So first thing is to learn the Kushaura, which is the leading variations on Mbira songs. And then when you get used to the Kushaura songs, we go to Kutsinhira book, which is the backing variations. So for now, I'm going to show you how to hold this Mbira. And so your little finger on the left hand, it goes under here, and then you hold it like that. Not all your fingers in, but front bits of your fingers like that. And then so that your thumb is have got enough room to go everywhere to play all the best notes. And then on the right hand, you put your little finger here again, and the front bits of your fingers holds this side, excluding this finger. Make sure, try and get used to stay like that, which is very difficult to start with. If you start with like that, it's okay, but normally we like it to stay here, so that when you're playing these ones, your little finger is ready to go under the tenor. So when you hold it like this, it means your fingers and your thumbs have got enough room to play around, to do whatever you want. It's not how the wider the Mbira is, it's about how you hold the Mbira, where your fingers are. If you create enough space and enough room, your thumb should be able to jump everywhere and do whatever you want. And this is how you should hold it. And it explains in the book how to deal with the notes and how to understand the notes. And I hope you're going to enjoy the Mbira. This Mbira, we call it Mbira Zemidzimu. When we say Mbira Zemidzimu, we mean the Mbira for the ancestral spirits. When it's Midzimu, there are more than one Mudzimu. Mudzimu is one spirit of the ancestor. So we say Mbira Zemidzimu, which means for a lot of ancestral spirits. And when they are called Midzimu, it means they are good spirits. They are good ancestors who were like prophets of our culture, standing up for traditions, doing ceremonies. This is the heart of the ceremonies of Zimbabwe. And even big prophets like Chaminuka and Nyadati, Chimbikiza, all those guys, they were dancing to Mbira music and a lot more. And it was left for us to use it to pray to God. That's what we use in our culture. So come contribute with us, our Torah of Zimbabwe. This is how we see our Lord, our Yahweh, through the Mbira. And I hope you're going to put it together with your traditional instruments, and from wherever culture you come from, whether you're in Japan, China, Zimbabwe, Africa, here in England, America, come join us. Let's all be together and let's teach each other. Come and learn Mbira from us. We make a lot of Mbiras from A to B, different classes of Mbira. We make them Mbira Zemidzimu, and making sure that people are finding out about Zimbabwean traditions which were not spread out before. I hope you're going to enjoy learning Mbira with us, and tell your friends to come and join us. And playing Mbira is like playing and talking to Lord. It's our music for the Lord. So go tell everyone, and then we want also learn your instruments and learn all the traditional instruments around the world. And I hope you're going to enjoy our Mbira music. And thank you. Hello again, my friends. Now we take you to Dande. This song, we call it Dande, Mbira song. Dande is one of the respected areas in Zimbabwe. It's a countryside where most of our tribes began. If you talk about Monkey tribe, Baboon people, and even the Munumutapa people, the Moyo people, Nyatsimba Mtota was the original. And then came the Soshe of Baboon tribe. And they came all the way from Guruswa, where our tribe started, and they come they come across Zambezi Valley, where they come into Zimbabwe, settled in Dande. So this song, it came from all those long time ago, those days, where they were praying to the spirit of Mwari, who the people in Zimbabwe now today, they think is the creator, but Mwari was one of the oldest ancestors, the spirit of rain. And it's the song of Shikiro people. Okay, I hope you're going to enjoy this song, Dande. Thank you very much.
Yagarira